Here we are in my bookings. So this is where you can see all of your upcoming booked services, gatherings, one-on-one meets. You can see these both if you are the host of these booked gatherings or services, and also as a participant. And you can see here that I have a one-on-one meet with Cherry, and there's also a holiday potluck, which I, Valerie, am the organizer. We also have a feature where you can chat with the people in the upcoming bookings. So the chat closes 24 hours after the booking ends. So it's not really a free chat, it's just a chat to coordinate any last minute details or get to know each other. For example, in the potluck, maybe you want to ask people, what are you bringing? Or share that there's this particular dietary restriction or allergy, so please don't bring any of that. That's what this is all about. So I could just chat in here. Hi, everyone. And then when people log in, they will see, yes, like this, an unread message in my booking.